Okay, so the other drain plug is right in here. I'm not going to get to it from going through here. I'm going to come up from underneath and get it through here. But I just thought I'd show you from this angle. That way you can sort of see it. If I zoom in and go up just a little, you'll be able to see it. I'll take you off the tripod and show you as well. So yeah, it's right there. And then you can access it underneath here. Where am I at? Just right up in there is the drain plug, so they make it pretty easy to access. Okay, so the bottom drain bolt here, oil drain bolt, is a 12 millimeter. Why they didn't make it the same as the other one, I don't know, but I probably need an extension. Okay, there we go. Is that in focus? Alright. That's pretty much it. Just let it drain, and when it's done doing its thing, you just put the plugs back in, the bolts, and fill her up with the appropriate amount of oil. Okay, so I put the two bolts back in, and I forgot to mention that when you drain the oil, you should loosen the dipstick here, right here up front. That will help out with the draining process. So now time for some fresh new oil. So I gotta go grab that and I'll be right back. Okay, so the manual says that it takes 1.37 US quarts of oil after you drain it. So I'd recommend you use a funnel, but I have a funnel, but it's too big and awkward to use in this spot here. So I'm just gonna freehand it, see how it goes. Alright. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit more because it's 1.37 US quarts or something like that. So I'm going to add a little bit more, and then to check to make sure it's at the right amount, you have to start the bike, let it idle for a little bit, and then check it afterwards when the bike is warmed up. Okay, so I'm going to start her up. She is kind of a pain to start, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so the bike's been running for about 5 minutes now. It's nice and warmed up. So I'm going to check to see where the level's at. First you take it out, wipe it off, and then you drop the dipstick back into its hole, but you don't screw it down. You just touch it until it hits the threads there. So just touches the threads, take it back out, and see where it's at. And we're still a little low, so I'm going to add a little bit more, and then we'll check it again from there. Okay guys, so I added a little bit more, and according to the manual, you want the oil to be between, or pretty much at the upper mark here. So there's a lower mark and then the upper. It's kind of hard to show you, but the oil is right here. It's just been running down. So I'm gonna call that good. That's it guys. I want to thank you all for watching and subscribing. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next one.